the military tried a new tactic, mounting a machine gun on a moving truck. If the birds were fast, the soldiers would be faster. But the rugged Australian terrain had other ideas. The truck bounced so violently over the uneven ground that the gunners couldn't even aim, let alone fire a steady burst. In one particularly absurd chase, an emu actually managed to get tangled in the truck's steering wheel, causing the vehicle to veer off track and crash into a fence. Not a single bird was hit during the entire high-speed pursuit. The birds were outmaneuvering the pride of the Australian Army at every turn.